To find out what's so cool about manufacturing, we traveled to Grove City, PA to visit one of Hull Industries' facilities.
Hull Industries creates a wide variety of products at their multiple locations.
In Grove City, they produce equipment used to handle and service aircraft.
And in the bridge side of the shop, they create large structures used on highways, in buildings, and on bridges,
including these aluminum railings that we found installed around town.
They make a lot of stuff that we see and depend on every day.
To do all of this, they rely on lots of talented people with lots of cool backgrounds and areas of expertise.
My name is Richard.
I'm Cody Albright.
I'm Michael
My
Ridley.
name is Tyler Williams.
My name's Tanner McCready.
My name is Cody Redfoot. I am the shop supervisor. I manage the welding end of the shop. I graduated from Newcastle School of Trades, got into a local fab shop, and I just realized that I really enjoyed working with my hands. To be in the supervisor role, you need to enjoy working with other people and helping them overcome things. Working with the guys as a team is probably my favorite part of the job.
My name is Richard. I'm the drafting manager. I'm a mechanical engineer by schooling. When I started out, I took a lot of math and science. I knew I wanted to do something in math and science, but every day I'm making drawings for bridges and other structures.
Growing up, you see a lot of roller coasters, and you're always curious how things are made or what's holding them together. You realize it's not just bolts. There's people behind the processes of building them. So welders, machinists led me down that path of, I want to try that. I want to do that.
I am a project manager. The big complex projects are typically the most fun. It starts with an idea or a plan, and by the end of it, we are shipping out fabrications that'll serve the community.
I'm the quality assurance manager. Have a nice even balance between in the office behind a computer screen all day and get to get my hands dirty and get to work with the guys on the floor. We check every product on every step of the way as it goes through, from beginning, verifying that this is the correct piece of steel, the correct type of steel, all the way to the guys cutting it, drilling it, welding it, and then even after it gets painted, finished, we check it every single step of the way.
I manage on-floor work, manage due dates, manage inventory, not only product goals, but monetary shipment goals. Other companies and other departments of transportation look to us, not just as a Pennsylvania company, but as a company that can do stuff throughout the other states as well.
Hull Industries doesn't just create great products.
Hull provides great employment opportunities for all sorts of people.
People who are led to great careers in manufacturing by all sorts of paths.
Maybe paths you could take.
So what's so cool about manufacturing?
Everything!